It's different from a godet because the gusset goes in the long way rather than the pointy side into the slit. Cut the body double. Cut two squares of organza and one gusset. Baste the organza to the face of the body so that the center of the organza is at the top of the slit. Cut down the middle of the Press and turn the organza to the inside. Stitch the front to the back at the side seam and the underarm seam. Press open. Now it's easy to see how the gusset goes in. One notch, two notches, two notches. Line up with the notches on the gusset. These notches line up with the points of the slash, and these notches line up with the top of the side seam and the underarm seam. Stitch one side at a time, starting at the side seam or underarm and going down to the side seam or the underarm. Match all the notches.